Alrighty, nerds. It's been raining for like freaking forever. That's why I've been making videos. I promise. Not that I'm lazy. But it actually stopped raining today. So, my go-kart's got like 3 2-mini chain links. I'm going to teach you guys, yeah, you, how to use this little guy, remove those little guys, and have you puttering down the street in no time. So yeah, stay tuned. A little over. Yeah, snap, snap, snap. Alright, I'll give you all a quick little overview of this bad girl. Now I'll keep it in focus for you. So, ooh, I can't even get a demo chain. Stand by. So, extraction removal from this chain, but it will work as a demonstration. As you see, you can put a little chain. Let me adjust my focus. The chain goes in like so. Clearly, those little grooves are obviously for. You notice you've got this little guy sneaking out. This will push on that bad girl, or that bad girl, either bad girl. It'll push it out, therefore removing the chain link. Super exciting, I know, right? Actually, I might demonstrate for you how to do it pro-like, so you're not just sitting there watching me do it on my go-kart. So, check it. Boom. Slap it in. It's kind of awkward to shoot. So, as you can see, this little pin is sitting on the chain link. So, we grab our handy dandy little Allen key set that's missing all our Allen keys. Fuck. Stand by. Ew. What the heck? Come on. Probably should have got this stuff ready before I started shooting the video. But whatever. You're all used to it if you're watching my YouTube channel. Gosh. I believe. Come on. Where do my Allen keys go? Ooh, I believe. Ooh. Yeah. So, you get your super dirty Allen key that doesn't go in. Where does it go in? Baby. I believe. Yeah, so, Allen key, and your little thing obviously. Should we move it further, I think. And then, you start cranking. Oops. Sorry guys. It's not in focus for shit. There you go. Before you know it, if you keep your eye on the prize right there, it should be poking out. Come on, baby. Boom. So now, we send this bad girl. She'll have the link removed. So yeah, that's basically all there is to it. Oh, shadows. Okay. Here we are, real world, in the thick of it. Working on my go-kart. Had this bad girl since I was a little kid. Okay, not little, like 14 or so. Yeah, she's old faithful. She's the one that started it all. But she had a different motor mount on her whenever I used to ride her as a kid. And I don't know what happened to it. Probably did something with it. But yeah, so the motor's not far forward enough or different or something. So this chain was adjusted to where it would actually be, ow, like the right length, obviously. But it is no longer that length. Come on, baby. And my dad and my uncle never put a master link in because apparently master links are for pussies. So I gotta remove it in the old school way. This chain's kind of nice, actually. So we can get to ripping. Yeah, I'm not probably gonna teach you anything at this point. If you've not learned anything, you might as well stop. But if you just like hearing me talk and blab, looking at my go-kart, feel free to stay. I'm not doing anything super cool or fun, just removing chain links. Why is that not out yet? Huh. Okay. That's a little strange. What the fuck? Whatever. And boom. We'll take her to the bench. I guess I can just remove it. Yeah, see you all there. Alrighty, we're just doing what I showed y'all how to do not too long ago. But we're removing 3 links. So 1, 2, 3. And we want to leave this little guy open. Actually, no we don't. We want to leave 2 of these guys so our master link can go on. See how we got like this? Oh, you can't see anything. You see this little guy? This little metal, we want 2 of those. If I'm not mistaken. Watch me be like way wrong. I'll leave it in so y'all can laugh at me. If I'm right, y'all can suck it because I'm super smart. Oh, so how have all y'all been? Feels like it's been a long time. Because it has been a long time. I promise I haven't been blowing it off. I've been thinking about YouTube and go-karting like non-stop. It's just the weather's been god awful or been gone somewhere. And it hasn't been the easiest. So I'm gonna go check this in the go-kart, and if it's right, I'll show y'all what it do and how to put it on. I'll be right back. Alright, so I preemptively got my master link. Show you how these little guys work. They're not super complicated, but like I said before, you want these 2 male ends. I don't know, yeah, you can see them. So you want these 2 bad girls. And we're not putting it on the go-kart right now, but same thing, whenever you put it on the go-kart, you're going to wrap it around your sprocket, wrap it around your actual clutch, shove your little guys through. I'm gonna put this little girl on, like so. If she decides to cooperate, boom. Then you can get this little pin, and you're gonna push it on. I don't feel like pushing it on right now because it's kind of a pain in the butt to get off and kind of on, but you should be able to figure it out. I believe in you. I think you've got what it takes. So yeah, let's go slap her on the casual cart. I guess y'all did end up learning something. That's what you get for staying around. Unless you already knew that, then you're a genius, and you belong on my channel because we're all geniuses. Only high-class specimen can understand the quality content I drop. Oh yeah, let's go slap her on.